Imagine a summer meadow bathed in the warmth of the morning sun. The golden rays gently kiss the dew-laden grass, creating a sparkling tapestry of light and life. Butterflies, wings painted with vibrant hues, dance among wildflowers. Their delicate flight seems almost magical as they flit from bloom to bloom, sipping nectar and spreading joy. Bees, buzzing with industrious purpose, flit from blossom to blossom, their tiny legs heavy with pollen. These tireless workers play a crucial role in pollinating the plants that sustain our ecosystems. Ants, a tireless army, march in determined lines, carrying crumbs to their hidden kingdoms. Each ant knows its role, contributing to the collective effort of their colony, showcasing the power of teamwork. The air hums and thrums with the symphony of insect life, a testament to nature's boundless creativity and resilience. Every buzz, chirp and rustle adds to the rich tapestry of sounds that define the meadow. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, insects weave a tapestry of life that sustains our planet. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in diverse environments, each species playing a unique role. They are the unseen workforce, toiling tirelessly to maintain the delicate balance of nature. Without their constant efforts, the ecosystems we depend on would crumble. They are the pollinators, the decomposers, the food source for countless species, a vital link in the intricate web of life. Their contributions are indispensable, ensuring the continuity and health of our natural world. Now, picture that same meadow, shrouded in an unnatural silence. The wildflowers stand tall, but their vibrant colours seem to fade in the stillness. No bees hum among the petals, their gentle buzz replaced by an unsettling quiet. The butterflies are gone, their aerial dance is just a memory. The ants have vanished, their intricate pathways empty, their bustling colonies deserted. The world, once teeming with the symphony of insects, now stands eerily still. The disappearance of these tiny creatures, once almost unnoticeable amidst the grandeur of nature, leaves a void, a silence that speaks volumes. The world, robbed of its smallest inhabitants, feels incomplete, unbalanced. The impact of this silence extends far beyond the meadows and forests. It seeps into every corner of our ecosystem, altering the very fabric of life as we know it. Our dinner plates, once laden with the bounty of nature, begin to reflect a frightening truth. The variety and abundance we once took for granted start to diminish, leaving us with a stark reminder of what we've lost. Fruits and vegetables, once abundant and vibrant, become scarce, their growth stunted, their yields dwindling. The once colourful and diverse produce sections in our stores now appear barren and lifeless. The loss of pollinators, those tireless bees, butterflies, and countless other insects, sets off a chain reaction that ripples through the agricultural landscape. These tiny creatures, often overlooked, play a crucial role in the growth of our food. Fields that once buzzed with life now stand silent, the crops within them failing to bear fruit. The absence of these essential pollinators means that many plants cannot reproduce, leading to a dramatic decline in crop yields. The delicate dance between insect and plant, a partnership honed over millennia, is broken, leaving behind a landscape of empty fields and unfulfilled promises. This intricate relationship, vital for the survival of many species, is now in jeopardy. The cost of lost pollination, once a theoretical concern, becomes a harsh reality, threatening the very foundation of our food security. Farmers, who rely on these natural processes, face unprecedented challenges, and the ripple effects are felt throughout the entire food chain. The consequences reach far beyond our dinner tables. In the absence of insects, nature's delicate balance begins to unravel. Forests, once vibrant and alive, become choked with decaying matter. The tireless work of decomposers, those insects that break down organic waste, ceases, leaving behind a growing accumulation of debris. The natural cycle of life and death, a delicate dance of renewal and decay, is disrupted. The absence of insects, those tiny but crucial players in the ecosystem, sends shockwaves through the environment. Food chains collapse, species dependent on insects for survival face extinction, and the intricate web of life begins to unravel, thread by delicate thread. Section 5. A world unraveling. Humanity's uncertain future. The disappearance of insects is not just an environmental crisis, it is a human crisis. Our very survival is intricately linked to the health of the planet and the delicate balance of its ecosystems. The loss of insects, those tiny but mighty creatures, threatens to unravel the fabric of life as we know it. The consequences are far-reaching and profound. Food shortages, ecological collapse, and the spread of disease are just the tip of the iceberg. The world, once familiar and predictable, becomes uncertain and perilous. The future, once bright with promise, now feels tenuous, a stark reminder of our dependence on the natural world and the urgent need to protect it. Section 6, Where Wonder Once Flew, the loss of natural magic. The ramifications of a world devoid of insects extend beyond the purely practical. There is a sense of wonder, a touch of magic that vanishes from our lives when these creatures disappear. We lose the childhood joy of chasing butterflies, the quiet contemplation of watching a spider spin its web, the fascination of observing ants going about their intricate tasks. The natural world, once a source of endless fascination and inspiration, feels diminished, its symphony silenced. We are left with a profound sense of loss, a longing for the days when the air hummed with life and the smallest creatures held a certain enchanting mystery. Section 7. Facing our reality. A planetary crisis unfolds. The disappearance of insects is not a science fiction scenario, a dystopian future confined to the pages of a novel. It is a stark reality, a crisis unfolding before our very eyes, and it demands our immediate attention. It is a stark reality, a crisis unfolding before our very eyes. The evidence is mounting, the warning signs undeniable, and the consequences are far-reaching. The evidence is mounting, the warning signs undeniable. Scientists around the globe are sounding the alarm, presenting data that paints a grim picture of our future. Insect populations are plummeting at alarming rates, their decline a chilling testament to the devastating impact of human activity. Habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change are just some of the factors contributing to the demise of insects. Climate change? These are just some of the factors contributing to the demise of insects. The intricate web of life is unraveling, and with it, the very foundation of our ecosystems. The time for complacency is long gone. We must act now, with urgency and determination, to reverse this trend and protect the biodiversity that sustains us. We are standing at a precipice, facing a future where the buzzing symphony of life is replaced by an eerie silence. A silence that speaks of irreversible loss and a planet in peril. The stakes have never been higher. A silence that speaks of irreversible loss and a planet in peril. The time to act is now, for the sake of our planet and future generations. We must come together, raise our voices, and demand change before it is too late. Section 8. A shared destiny respecting the smallest among us. The fate of insects is inextricably linked to our own. Their survival is our survival. We must learn to respect these tiny creatures, to recognize their crucial role in the web of life. Their disappearance is not just an environmental tragedy, it is a threat to our own existence. We must act now, with urgency and determination. We must protect their habitats, reduce our reliance on harmful pesticides, and address the root causes of climate change. The future of our planet and our own survival depends on it. Section 9. Our choice, our future. Learning to coexist. The choice is ours. We can continue down a path of ecological destruction, ignoring the warning signs and accepting a future where the natural world is silenced, or we can choose a different path, one marked by respect for nature, a commitment to sustainability, and a recognition of our interconnectedness with all living things. The future is in our hands. Let us choose wisely, for the sake of the insects, for the sake of our planet, and for the sake of generations to come. Let us learn to coexist, to appreciate the smallest among us, and to protect the delicate balance of life that sustains us all.